right, right here, watch out for brakes. What was the clue that was going to let you know that this person is going to merge into you? Class, I beg you, what is the clue that you should have seen 3 seconds before this car showed up, that if there was anybody in this lane, you need to get out of the way? Take a look at this, guys. We're riding. We're having a great time. We maybe can see the vehicle in the rear mirror because the lights are getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And we know that right lane ends. It said in 1 mile, or maybe like 500 feet back, in 500 feet, it says right lane ends, through traffic, merge. I bet you saw that. So here's the thing. This is a surprise. This vehicle coming into our lane is a surprise. What do you do with that surprise? How big of a surprise is it going to be? That all depends on how situationally aware you are. So as soon as you see that, you know this person is going to go for that spot, roll off that throttle. Stop fighting for your lane. You start to think, what's safest for this car? What's safest for me? If I just roll off the throttle, let them in, call it a day. So grab yourself a rock form case. I have a little pop socket adapter. I absolutely love it. This is a magnet right here. It keeps your phone nice and secure, a lot better than some of the other competitors. So make sure you check them out. Links in the description. Automatic discount when you click that link.